So in this video, I'm going to walk through with the process of building a website under 5 minutes without any coding. I've chosen Astral template from Bullet Gallery. With this template, you can customize your brand colors to suit your business needs. To use this template, first click on Use Template. And I am signing in with my Gmail account. Now, you'll show up with two options and I'm choosing the first one since I don't have any existing site. After that, I'm naming my site and click on Next. Now click on Duplicate Template, which will redirects you to your Notion account. This is the duplicated template and I'm changing the name of the template. The slash in the path category signifies the home or root page of your site. If you want to keep a page in draft and prevent it from being published, simply uncheck the Publish property and it won't be rendered or published. You can also add your own page by simply clicking on New. Here, I am adding a new page called Portfolio to showcase my company's work. In the path, I'm specifying Portfolio. If you don't provide a path property, Bullet will automatically use the title, converting it to an appropriate format by default, and checking on Publish box to render in my site. Now, I'm starting to edit my content. These are the meta properties you can edit for any pages, which are crucial for your search engine optimization. And I've completed my portfolio page's content. In getting started, you'll find the usage guide of this template. In Components, you'll find all the Notion blocks used in this template. You can cross-check with the website to see how every block renders on the site. Once all the content editing are done in the Notion, just click on Share on the top right corner and click on Publish and copy the Notion URL. Now, paste the URL in your Bullet account and click on Apply and Create. Now your site has been created, and get into their live dashboard for customization. This sidebar offers the features of Bullet. And in Navbar, add your call to actions and other links for easy navigation and click on Save. Similarly, in Footer also you can add your own social media links and other components like logo and click Save. And in Pages sections you can able to preview your site before publishing it. In the Code section, you can add custom CSS, and this happens when duplicating the template. Removing this CSS will make your site look exactly like it does in Notion. When you paste the CSS, it appears a beautified site. You can also add your own CSS to further customize the appearance. And in Theme section, you can also change the mode of your site. You can even change your brand color. Once all done, click on Save. Similarly, you can customize your site with typography, layout, and other features to give it a more professional appearance. In Settings, Bullet even allows you to add a custom domain to your site. Once you have finished customizing your site, click on Publish. Your site will now be successfully published online.